Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Today I am going to explain how to use image for embossing logo with auto trace command. Say I'm in the new part file. So I've taken a sketch on the front plane, that is 500 by 500. Select the sketch, create extruded boss. So 50 mm thickness. Now select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal. Now go to tools, sketch tool, go to sketch picture. Select any logo. Here you can see right arrow, that is next. Say OK. Now go to use the select color. So while selecting, we have to click Ctrl button and select different locations. Then select the Begin Trace button. So you can see the sketch over here. So we have to adjust the image brightness. So now the recognition tolerance is very much important. Just move a little bit. See, the accuracy is increasing. Now say OK. It is forming the shape of the image logo. Say OK. Now click the sketch, go to sketch picture, right click and suppress it. Now you can see the sketch on this. Select the sketch, go to extruded boss. So it is asking for the loops to select. Select 10 mm. Say OK. Now go to sheet metal module, select forming tool, select this face, that is talking face. Say OK. So this forming tool is ready now. So we can save this file in this folder. Just open this folder from here and copy the link. You can save this file in this folder by pasting this link and say OK. Here I have already saved one sample example, so I am not saving here. So close this. Now take a new part file, create a sketch on the front plane, that is of same dimension 500 by 500. Select the sketch, go to sheet metal module, select base flange. So sheet metal thickness is 1 mm and K factor is 0.45. Now select the forming tool, place it over here. So it is in reverse direction, so make it 180. And it is forming other direction, just flip this tool direction. Say OK. So this is how we can use image of a logo for embossing on sheet metal with auto trace. Thank you very much.